Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a post on BeReal application. So first of all, and of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. If you do have it on your phone, just ignore all of that, of course, and maybe forward the video a bit. But if you don't have it, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as we said, if you want to delete your posts, first of all, of course, you have a post every day, so you cannot actually maybe post more. If you want to delete your posts, you'd like to click at, sorry, not the name, you'd like to click at the three dots here at the top right corner of your actual posts. So as you can see here, we have three options, which is the photo is in discovery. So if you click on that, you can remove it from discovery. We don't want that. You would like, if you want to share, you can share, and if you want to delete your BeReal, you can actually delete it. So the deletion of your photo will be final. You can only do one deletion per day, and be careful with the next photo you take, you won't get a second chance. So if you just here choose whatever you want, so I don't like maybe my BeReal, and click add delete my BeReal. So as you can see here, now I actually deleted my BeReal, and I have an option to post another one. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.